Yeah, man, so I used to go clubbing, and I say one time I go clubbing, and I was so jumped because since I did the Blacktail magazine, they had like Blacktail party where a lot of girls that do Blacktail magazine would come. So, and perform and dance and so on. A lot of people would pay to come in. So you have this guy downtown, they used to call him Earl, and he used to throw a lot of Blacktail parties for the Blacktail girls. So I was invited to the party because me was one of the Blacktail girls. So anyway, me gonna me cook the day some rice and peas, man, and make some curry chicken, man. I mean, I'm coming by myself. I mean, I'm enough. I may buy one bottle of Vacans or orange juice. I may make myself them call it screwdriver drinks. I me drink, I me get drunk because I used to like to them something say that bad my conscience. I me say me drink. Anyway, me take the cab and me go downtown and me get dressed and go. By the time me go up on stage and try to perform, me can't stand up, me have to bend down. Me can't dance. I realize me too jump, me can't see go out of my yard, me I dazzle, me I say no man, me not feel right. At time for me just take my things and go home. By the time I struggle and figure out the dressing room because so much girl down there, it pack up. By the time I struggle and reach in the dressing room, I couldn't make it. I say I feel like I go dead. So I go downstairs and exit downstairs down the step them and go outside in front of the club. By the side of the street, they sit down on the concrete. On the side of the flower spot there. And I sit down right so by the step and bend over, I start to vomit and I start to choke, me tell you. And at that time, I see one van pull up, me choke, me sick like a dog. One van pull up, and when the van pull up, I see one man come out of the van and him say, good evening, how are you? You're not feeling well? And I say, no, sir. He said, this happened to me one time. I know what feel. They want me to give you a ride. Oh, I'm telling me on Shepherd Avenue, I'm in downtown Brooklyn. I said, I really take a ride from stranger. I said, but I'm not going to do you anything. I just want to help you. I see you need the help. So I say, all right, let me take the chance and go and because I really not feel good. So I say, can I run upstairs and get my suitcase? Ask them where's my suitcase and bring it down for me. So I go upstairs and get to the guy. I must get my suitcase and bring it down to me. And I put my suitcase in the car and in driving. While the man start to drive and the man I drive. Next thing me know, to my surprise, the man said, excuse me, I want to take my pants off. I don't want you to feel frightened or be afraid. It's just how I am. That's how I drive. That's how I like to be. The man take off his pants, me tell you, and the man have on a fishnet stocking. A fishnet stocking with a white shirt. The man have on with them big old earry foot them with a fishnet stocking and one heel boot the man have on. The man decide for driving and take off the pants put aside. Even though me drunk, me I wonder if I dream or what, but that was really taking place. The man was talking anyway, and me drunk as bat and as me reach. He give me the suitcase and sit me open my door and he said me go inside. And me go inside and lock my door. And drop it and me so jump, me glad for reach inside. Me say, when me wake up a man into Ross, all me fucking clothes them gone. The man take every fucking piece. Either him or the bitch him up there rob me. But somebody take all me clothes them. I never feel inside him take them. Because you know my foot big and me wear size 10 boot. You know a size 10 heels me wear. So my foot big like a man foot. So me most likely I him teeth me boot because I have on the heel. And he have on the fishnet stocking a drive. He never give me the drive for free. He give me the drive so he can teeth me blast it, close them. But God bless him though because me get home safe. People, I'm if I tell you.